Personification and simile, painting pictures with words. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll be exploring a very interesting part of English language, descriptive language techniques, specifically focusing on personification and simile. We'll discuss how these techniques work and their differences. Remember, understanding these can make your conversations, writings, and comprehension more rich and engaging. First, let's talk about personification. This is a descriptive technique where we attribute human-like qualities or characteristics to non-human things. For example, the sun smiled down on the city. Here, the sun can't literally smile, but we use the term smiled to give a warm, friendly feeling to the sun's rays. Now, let's move on to simile. Simile is a technique where we compare one thing to another using the words like or as. It's a way of making descriptions more vivid. For example, he is as brave as a lion. Here, the person is being compared to a lion in terms of bravery. So, what's the difference between personification and simile? Personification gives human traits to non-human entities to help us understand or visualize them better. It helps add depth to the object or idea we're describing. On the other hand, simile makes a comparison between two different things, often using like or as. It's all about showing a similarity to help explain a trait or characteristic. A key difference is in their structure. A simile will always contain like or as, while personification does not require these terms. For instance, take the sentence, "The wind whispered through the trees." This is personification because we're giving the wind, a non-human entity, the human action of whispering. Now, if we said, "The wind was like a whisper through the trees," this is a simile because we're comparing the wind to a whisper using like. And that's it for today's lesson on personification and simile. Remember, these are powerful tools for adding interest, emotion, and clarity to your descriptions. Keep practicing and soon, you'll be painting vivid pictures with your words. Hope you found this lesson helpful, and we'll see you in our next video.